Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. I want to start today with a simple but powerful question. When you hear the word ISO, what comes to your mind? Certificates, audits, documentation, compliance checklist. But what if I told you that ISO standards are not just about paperwork? They are actually about protecting human life. Yes, behind every clause, every requirement, and every audit observation, there is something much bigger at stake: human safety, health, trust, and survival. In today's session, we are going to explore how ISO standards quietly protect workers, patients, families, and entire communities. By the end of this lecture, you will never look at ISO the same way again. Let's begin. It's not just paperwork, it is about people. When most people think about ISO, they imagine documents and files. But ISO standards were never designed to protect paper. They were designed to protect people. Whether it is a factory worker operating heavy machinery, a patient in a hospital, or a family consuming packaged food, safety systems built on ISO standards are working silently in the background to prevent them. Every requirement exists for a reason. Every control reduces a risk, and every risk reduced means a life potentially protected. Now, safety at work. ISO 45001 saves lives daily. ISO 45001 focuses on occupational health and safety. Workplace accidents are not just statistics, they are human tragedies. This standard requires organizations to identify hazards, assess risk, implement preventive measures, and create a safety-first culture. When companies conduct safety training, provide protective equipment, monitor unsafe behavior, and investigate near misses, they are actively preventing injuries and fatalities. ISO 45001 transforms safety from a reaction into a prevention system, and prevention saves lives. Safe environment means safe communities. ISO 14001 environmental negligence can directly impact human health. Polluted water, toxic emissions, and hazardous waste disposal can cause long-term illnesses and community-wide damage. ISO 14001 ensures organizations identify their environmental impacts and control them responsibly. Cleaner production, reduced emissions, and proper waste management don't just help the planet. They protect human health today and in future generations. Quality isn't luxury, it's protection. ISO 9001. Quality failures can be dangerous. Imagine faulty medical equipment, defective automotive parts, or unreliable electrical systems. The consequences can be life-threatening. ISO 9001 ensures processes are controlled, monitored, and continuously improved. Consistency in quality means fewer failures, fewer accidents, and greater safety for consumers and users. Quality is not about perfection, it is about protection. Food safety is public safety. ISO 22000. Food contamination can spread quickly and cause serious harm. ISO 22000 requires organizations to identify food safety hazards, control contamination risk, and maintain strict hygiene practices. When food safety systems are strong, families are protected from illness. Safe food is not a luxury, it is a basic human necessity. Information security protects critical services. ISO 27001. In today's digital world, cyber attacks can disrupt hospitals, power grids, and emergency services. A compromised system can delay treatment or cause operational breakdowns. ISO 27001 strengthens information security systems to prevent breaches and maintain continuity. Protecting digital infrastructure now directly protects human life. Now, leadership turns standards into protection. Standards alone cannot save lives. Leadership commitment makes the difference. When top management prioritizes safety, environment, quality, and security, it shapes the entire organizational culture. A strong safety culture encourages reporting, transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement. That culture is what turns ISO standards into real life protection systems. So, today we learned something important. ISO standards are not just documents sitting in files, they are silent guardians working behind the scenes. They reduce accidents, they prevent disasters, they protect communities, and most importantly, they save lives. The next time someone says ISO is just paperwork, you can confidently say no. It is a system designed to protect human life. If you found this session valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which ISO standard you would like me to cover next in detail. Until next time, stay safe, stay compliant, and remember, standards exist to protect people first. Thank you for watching.